Hey y'all, today we are making an Elvis Presley favorite. This is called the hamburger steak, and here it is in a cookbook that I am going to be using today. This is a family cookbook that has family recipes in it, but this is also known as the king size patty. So that's what I'm going to call it here today. What we're going to be using is a pound of ground beef, and if you would like to check out the full recipe with all of the ingredients and the instructions and everything that you need to know, you can find that in my description. So let's go ahead and get started here. I've got my 1 pound of ground meat right here in a mixing bowl, and I've got 1 whole bell pepper that I have chopped up, and I'm going to put that straight into the bowl with the ground beef. And then I have a whole onion that I've cut up, and I'm going to put that straight in here and mix everything together. So essentially it's going to be ground beef, some bell pepper, some onion, and I'm going to add in a little dash of flour. This is all going to bind together and create one big patty. So rather than a bunch of smaller little hamburger patties, it's going to be one giant size patty or king size patty. I'm also going to be using mushroom soup, and that's going to create a gravy. Make sure to season this to your taste. I'm using some seasoned salt, and I'm just going to get right on in there and mix everything together with my hands, just like you would with a meatloaf. So that's what I'm doing here, just getting everything, all of the bell peppers and the onions mixed in. So Elvis was known for liking home style Southern cooking, and this is really one of those comfort meals that tastes so good. We're going to be using mushroom soup to create a gravy on top that's going to mix in with all of the meat juices and the vegetables and everything. It's going to be really delicious. You can also pair this with some mashed potatoes or some rice. I think I'm going to be doing some mashed potatoes tonight, and this is going to be one of those delicious comfort meals that Elvis always enjoyed. So this is an Elvis favorite. I have a baking dish here. I'm just going to use it to kind of make my patty in, but I will be browning this on the stove and then putting it back into this baking dish where I will be baking it in the oven the rest of the way. So by the time it's all done, the bell peppers and onions will be cooked and everything will be kind of all perfect and ready to eat. So I've got my patty here. I've got my stove going, and I'm going to head on over there now, and I'm going to flip this straight into the stove and let it brown on both sides. So let's head on over there, and I've got it here on the pan, and it is ready to just be browned. I have this in about medium high heat, and I flipped it once. I could have left it a little bit longer, but that's what it looks like. You can leave it to create the kind of crust or edge that you like. If you like it a little bit more crispy, go ahead and leave it a little bit longer. And don't worry about cooking all of the inside. It's going to bake in the oven until it's all the way cooked. So I have my oven set to 300 degrees. It's going to bake in there for about 30 to 35 minutes. If you notice that you need a little longer, you can leave it a little longer. Just keep an eye on it. So all you're going to do before you put it in the oven is simply just put it in a baking dish, and you're going to put the mushroom soup straight on top and then put it in the oven. So now it's come out of the oven for me, and this is what it looks like. It smells so good, y'all. This is what it looks like on my plate, and y'all, I had this for dinner. It was delicious. It is something that I will be making again. So if you enjoyed this recipe, or if you try it, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you on our next video.